You sit down to work. You've got the to-do list, the coffee, the intention, but then a notification. A tab switch. Another scroll. Suddenly, hours have passed, and you're not even sure what you did. Sound familiar? What if you could finish your work faster, feel less stressed, and actually enjoy your focus time, just by working in short bursts? That's the magic of the Pomodoro Technique. And once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. The Pomodoro Technique was invented in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo. He used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. Pomodoro means tomato in Italian, by the way. His idea? Break your work into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes long, followed by short breaks. Simple, but surprisingly powerful. Here's how it works. Step 1, choose a task, something you really want to get done. If it's big, break it into smaller steps. Don't try to conquer the mountain in one go. Now set a timer for 25 minutes and go. No distractions, no checking messages, no jumping tabs. If something pops into your head, jot it down and return to your task. When the timer rings, stop. Take a 5-minute break. Stand up, move, grab a drink, then repeat. After 4 rounds, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes, to recharge before starting again. To get the most out of it, follow these 3 rules. Break down complex tasks. If a job takes more than 4 Pomodoros, split it into manageable pieces. Group small tasks. If something only takes a few minutes, bundle it with others. And most importantly, don't quit early. If you finish before the timer ends, use the time to review, polish, or plan. Why does this technique work so well? Because it's not just about time, it's about energy, focus, momentum. Those 25-minute sprints create urgency. Your brain knows this time is for this. And the breaks, they keep your focus sharp and your energy from draining away. Want to make it even more effective? Prepare your space first. Silence distractions, close the noise, keep a distraction list nearby. If something pops up, write it down and move on. And during breaks, step away from your desk. Track your completed Pomodoros. It's a great way to see progress and build momentum. The Pomodoro technique isn't just a time hack. It's a way to work with your brain instead of against it. It helps you stay clear, stay consistent, and actually feel good while working. So why not try your first Pomodoro today? Set a timer, pick your task, and just start. You'll be amazed how much progress you can make in just 25 focused minutes. Have you tried the Pomodoro technique before? What worked for you? What didn't? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more science-backed productivity tips that actually work.